Hey, welcome to another edition of DIY Condo Edition. Today I'm going to go over the concepts of how to tune a Kobalt KT KT1015. I got this table saw for $100 in Southwest Baltimore, and it was missing a lot of parts, and it was just not aligned, not safe to use at all. Apparently, these carpenter bees are out. You know, it's carpenter territory now. So let's jump into it. This video is sponsored by Box. Have you ever been really thirsty for some nice wine and you drank the first 2 bottles? Well, yeah. Why not get a box that is actually somehow 3 bottles of wine, right? And oh shit! I don't think I can do it with one hand, guys. Well, anyways, wow. Why not enjoy a some DIY with some fresh Pinot Grigio, fresh out of the box. Frida, you want a pretzel? Frida, you want a pretzel? Frida, you want a pretzel? I knew it. Well, bad news, guys. I have no idea where my rubber mallet went, so we'll just use this. We're just gonna hit it. What the hell? Gonna hit it. All right, that should do it, I think, right? All right. Oh, hey. Well, I think we're just about there after mashing it around a lot. So let's see what we got here. Take the high point of the blade. Yeah, that's about good. After that, you're gonna want to get those trunnions back where they need to be. All right, you're gonna want to get your trunnions back up without messing with the actual trunnion, and by the trunnion bolts here, right? All right.